Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Id.4 PRO 128 kW Life. This fully electric powerhouse is not only environmentally friendly, but packed with top-of-the-line features for your comfort and safety. With a stunning blue exterior and a luxurious interior, this estate vehicle offers a smooth ride with its automatic transmission and a 174 horsepower engine. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this car has it all. Feel secure with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy the convenience of features like remote audio controls, wireless charging, and voice control. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie to schedule a test drive today.